There was a guy who ran away from his wife to have an affair. This guy is having an affair. They look very happy. The girl looks very happy. When he went to the bathroom, he suddenly smelled the girl's perfume on his shirt. He thought of a way which is to use wine, alcoholic wine, and the scent of fruit will drown out the fragrance. He sprinkled some wine on his shirt to cover the fragrance. He thought of a way which is to use wine, alcoholic wine, and the scent of fruit will drown out the fragrance. A little more on the hair, and rubbing the tips of his hair with his hand. He pretended to nod and took the bottle home with his wife. And so the wife could not detect that they were so clever. You're having a relationship in the middle of the stream. If you are passionate, suddenly your lover calls. What to do? The girl who looked like she didn't like it when she saw him like that. She forces you to go home right away, but she wants you to stay. He insisted on returning. Let's see how he handles it. First run to the bathroom and get dressed, of course, be calm. Then use a warm towel to remove the lipstick stain and a little perfume to deodorize. Take a little bit and apply evenly to lipstick. Remember to rub it gently and evenly. Rub gently and regularly on the skin with lipstick on. Use your fingers to flick a few times on the skin, allowing the cream to penetrate the inside. Then hurry home to him and try to keep calm. But we shouldn't catch two hands like this guy, right? The wife looked angry, but couldn't find his loophole. The guy immediately turned around and spoke softly to her, so she could not doubt it.